how to fix Valorant error code 43. And now after that, all you need to do, just type here Windows update settings. Now click check for updates and make sure to install all the updates that you can find here. And after that, type here run, click on it, type here percent local app data percent and click OK. Scroll down, and once you're here, go to Valorant, save it. Now right click on logs and delete this file, and then go to config, crash reports, and delete all those files here. Right click and click delete. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.